Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about Unity and the different components and utility that you can see here. And to start a game or any software, whatever. So let's go. Okay, here we can see different windows. The first one, the scan, where you can put different objects. Here, for example, is the camera with the component that have the camera. Here is the game, and here's the project. In the project, you can see the different assets, the components, where you can put materials, prefab, sites, whatever, and the package, where you update and install or make a game. Okay. Mm, for make any object, you can drop from the folder. I don't have any object yet, and or you can create an empty object with the object like for example a cube, cube, and here different components like animation, script, technique. Another important thing is the asset store where you can install your package into in your Unity. I'm gonna sample sample import. Here is the component. Plus, we have a game uh, because the game is in 2D, so we can see the stand, the main camera, here, and where you can see the here is the different components. And when you have to the background, and we are going to start Unity. You can see the difference here in internet and the website of Unity. You will get the video picture that is really thinking if you need any help about something that you don't know or update any video about two games, three games, virtual reality, AR, everything about Unity. Uh, Send me a message in Twitch, Instagram, and we will be there. Thank you.